Hello, you amazing human being. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add some sizzle and spice to your presentation. A cool trick on how to play this video on your slide by making it look like it's playing from a fancy mobile phone. And that's not all, my friend. I will also show you how to make this video appear like it's playing from a sleek and beautiful laptop. Sounds amazing, right? I know. And the best part, you don't have to be a tech wizard to do it. All you need to do is download the template from the link below, watch the video all the way, and we will create some pure magic together. So what are you waiting for? Let's inject some awesomeness into your presentation. First thing first, we need an image of a device to play the video on. Don't worry, my friend, I've got you covered. We are going to use images of a phone and a laptop. Why? Because they are awesome. I mean, who doesn't love the convenience of having your video right at your fingertips? Now let's get to the fun stuff. On this slide, we have an image of a hand holding a phone and some text. But wait, we can't just leave it like that. Let's mark out the area where we want the video to be viewed. You know, the screen area. From shapes, let's click on freeform. You might want to zoom in a bit for this next part. Let's mark out 4 corners of the screen to create a shape. Trust me, it's like drawing a cool secret code that only you and your video will know. Ta-da! That looks great. Now let's zoom out and admire our handiwork. Let's click on the image. Hold down Ctrl key and then on the shape. Now we can go to Make Shapes and click on Subtract. And that part of the image will vanish into thin air. Why? Because we are making room for the video. Speaking of videos, let's add one to this slide. This little beauty is from PowerPoint stock videos. But wait, there is more. I've already done the hard work of resizing the video, so all we have to do is move it to position. Right click and send it to back. But we're not stopping there, my friend. We are going to make some adjustment to bring in the star of the show. Let's bring this little cutie into the screen. Now when we run slideshow, the video will appear to be playing on that mobile phone and everyone is going to be like, what? How did you do that? It's super duper awesome, my friend. You just have to make sure the background color of the image and the slide are the same because the video will hide behind the image. Let's try another example with a different screen size. But before that, if you find this video interesting, which I know you do because you are awesome, why not spread the love by hitting that subscribe button and giving this video a thumbs up? Trust me, your future self will thank you for it. Oh, and one more thing, we want to hear from you. Drop a comment down below and tell us what tutorials you'd like to see next. First off, we'll use the freeform tool from Shapes to mark the corners of the laptop screen, just like we did before. Now hold down Shift key while you click on the image and shape. Go to Make Shapes and click on Subtract. It's like magic. Now let's insert a video, resize and position it. And because we like to keep things interesting, let's send it to back. But wait, the laptop screen isn't a perfect rectangle. No worries, we'll just adjust the properties of the video to match the screen. It's like giving your video a little facelift. And now for the fun part, let's right click on the video and select Format Video. Click on Effect and open 3D Rotation. I'm going to hide the image for a moment so that we can see the rotation in action. After some tinkering with the X, Y, and Z rotations, I came up with some seriously impressive numbers. 335.2 degrees for X rotation, 345 for Y, and 359.1 degrees for Z rotation. Now let's bring back that image. Adjust and resize the video until it fits perfectly. Ah, that's better. Let's add some text to really drive home our message. And when we run slideshow, our audience will be wagging their tails in excitement. But wait, there is more. Let's adjust the video a little bit more so we can see the cute hairs of our star pup. It's like adding the cherry on top of an already amazing sundae. So let's click on slideshow again and watch as a cute and curious dog plays on a laptop screen. It's guaranteed to put a smile on everyone's face. In the first example, we took a video and made it appear like it's playing on a mobile phone. We used the same technique in the second example, but on a laptop. And you know what? You can use this technique anywhere you have a video, audio, or image to display in your presentation. That's right, the possibilities are endless. So did you give it a try? Did you produce the same jaw-dropping results that we did? Let me know in the comments because I am dying to hear from you. And if you're hungry for more mind-blowing tutorials like this, then you better subscribe to this channel and smash that like button like it's a pesky mosquito on a hot summer day. Cheers to presentation design.